My dear students, good evening to everybody. I am very happy to inform you. Today we are going to celebrate World Waters Day. World Waters Day. That is March 22nd today. So, actually, water is a precious, is a gold than anything material in this world. One cannot imagine without having water. So, water is more precious, water is more valuable. So, I request all of my children, you must you must, since beginning of your childhood, better to use water in a systematical manner. You don't waste water. You don't use unnecessary, you don't pour the water. Because water is the life. Water is life. In each and every creature will depend upon the water. So one must be very careful while utilizing the water. If not, there may be wars for water. There may be wars for water. So, it, everybody, I request this must be adopted, this must be emulated, adopted in the early of the childhood. So, every student has accustomed to how to use water, how to minimize the wastage of the water, how to minimize the waste of the water. If you observe any taps, if you observe any leakage of the taps, you better to immediately you must take the issue to the notice of the principal of this college or gram sarpanch, gram sarpanch of this village. At the same time, municipalities, you must notice to the authorities, you must notice the issue to the authorities concerned of the municipality. So, as and when you feel observe this type of any lapses on part of the administration, on part of the authorities, you must bring this issue to the notice of the concerned officials. Then they will rectify the leakage of the water. Don't be idle, don't be spectator while wasting of the water. So, if you notice it, definitely being a good citizen of India, you must take initiative to stop the leakage of the water. Then only you will be the person who have to serve the nation. So, because the entire crops depends upon the rainies, depends upon the how much quantum of rain you are receiving. So even farmers completely rely on waters. So if God permits, if God accuses, definitely in rainy season we may expect rains. At the same time, if not, we have to await for rains. So farmers are badly hit because of the shortage of the rainfall. So we must make alternatives to preserve the waters, thus nothing but inkuduguntas. We have to what we call inkuduguntas. So one must be very careful to utilize the water. We are washing the plates, washing the our utensils, in each washing the cloths. So in each and every issue, we must be vigilant regarding awareness of the water. So today we are going to observe World Waters Day. That means one must be vigilant. If not, the future citizens of India will not excuse us. Will not excuse us. So there may be wars for waters. There may be wars for water. There may be wars for states There are many conflicts between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. So Tungabhadra board. So many Almaty dams. So if so many problems we are facing because of water. So it is high time. It is high time to go for negotiations, to go for dialogue with the other state governments to utilize the water to by through a dialogue we can achieve our line share of water to our states. So one must be, this is not the time to go for that means uh, unnecessary the arguments. This is the time to go for negotiations, to go for discussions, to settle our issues, to settle our water disputes amicably with all the respect to state governments. Then only we can solve our water problems in a systematic manner. So water is a resource we can utilize in many aspects. We can generate electricity. If Srisalem Dam is without having water, one cannot imagine electricity produced. So in a summer, we may hit a deficit of current. So frequent power, errating power we may experience. So in each and every, so we have to preserve the unnecessary. All the waters are going to cease. So it is better to preserve the water as and when occasions arises. So alternative arrangements you have to make to preserve the water. At the same time, avoid cement roads. As and when occasion comes, we have to go for soil roads. Then only somewhat we have to do benefit for our future citizens. Generations will not excuse us if you go cement roads, cutting the trees, all nothing but they may create environment pollution. This pollution may lead to stoppage of water. So వనదేవత దరహాసం వరుణదేవుని ఆహ్వానం. వనదేవత దరహాసం వరుణదేవుని ఆహ్వానం. చెట్లు పెంచండి, చల్లదనాన్ని పంచండి. చెట్లు నీడనిస్తాయి. చెట్లు తాను నరికేవాడికి కూడా నీడనిస్తుంది. కైండ్లీ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ మైండ్. చెట్లు తను నరికేవాడికి కూడా నీడనిస్తుంది. వృక్షో రక్షిత. వృక్షాలు చల్లదనాన్ని పంచడమే కాకుండా మంచి ఆహ్లాదకర వాతావరణం ఇవ్వడమే కాకుండా ఆక్సిజన్ ఇవ్వడమే కాకుండా మానవుని అనేక కాలుష్య భారాల నుంచి రక్షిస్తుంది కూడా. కాబట్టి పొడిమి తల్లి పరిరక్షణగా ఉండాలంటే చెట్లు బాగా పెంచాలి. సో జలాశయాలన్నీ కూడా కలకలగా నిండి ఉండాలంటే వృక్షాలు బాగా పెంచాలి. సో ఇది అందరి కర్తవ్యం, మనందరి కర్తవ్యం. సో ఐ అప్పీల్, బీయింగ్ ఏ కెమిస్ట్రీ లెక్చర్గా, ఐ అప్పీల్ టు ఆల్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్, దిస్ కాలేజ్, త్రూ all the Indian citizens, all of my students throughout the India. I appeal to all my students, be vigilant, be awareness to preserve the water, not to waste the water at any cost. If you have any observed regarding wastage of water through pipes, any leakage, you must bring the issue to the notice of the authorities concerned, then only that problem may be rectified. So minimize the water in each and every aspect. You must minimize the water. So then you will be the first person to be appreciated by one and all. So being a citizen of India, one must safeguard the interest of the nation. That is, safeguard the interest of the nation is nothing but one must preserve the water. One must be highly vigilant to protect the water, not to waste the water at any cost. I am very much thankful to all the students who are involved in this today Water Day program. They must be vigilant to preserve the water and save the water and save the lives of the people. So in summer we are experiencing a severe water crisis that should not be repeated. Fortunately today, this year, we got a abundant rainfall. So all the reservoirs are full with water. So at the same time, we should not waste the water. So, being a citizen of India, being a vast experienced chemist lecturer, I am telling you not to waste the water. Water is gold, water is precious, water is more valuable than anything in the world. So you may experience you are going to purchase water bottle with liter bottle with 1 liter and the cost of 20 rupees. So you think it the cost of the water is 20 rupees per liter. So we must be cautious, we must be vigilant, we should not waste the water. At the same time, you have to take water and boil it and drink it. No question of any problems may arise. So try to avoid it. You must be cautious, not to permit any type of cattle to make a bath in waterlogs or seas or rivers, which is most useful for human purposes. So at the same time, you must enlighten the villagers, you must enlighten all the people who are wasting the water. So you must stress the importance of the water preservedness. Then only our country will develop by leaps and bounds. So I am very much happy to give this message to all of my students in India, throughout the world. I am very happy. I wish you all the best. Again, once again, I am very much thankful to all the people. I am very happy. World Waters Day. Thank you. Preserve water, save water. Water is precious. Water is gold. Save the lives of the people. Yours chemistry mentor Chandrasekhar Rao. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much. God bless you.